Slow motion capture has become a staple capability for creators, researchers, and hobbyists who want to analyze motion with clarity and detail. From action sports to macro work, a camera's frame rate, resolution, sensor quality, and processing features determine how usable slow motion footage is in real-world contexts. This review evaluates 5 compact, consumer-friendly, slow-motion-oriented cameras spanning a price range from budget to premium, highlighting what each model does well, where it falls short, and who should consider them. My testing approach combines objective spec analysis with practical use cases, motion-rich scenarios, sports, action sports, drones, or moving subjects, static testing, low-light behavior, autofocus performance, and usability considerations, battery life, app integration, and mounting options. Product number 1. ApexCam Action Camera. The ApexCam M80 Air is a compact, budget-friendly action camera designed to deliver versatile 4K 30 FPS and a 2.0-inch LCD view for quick framing. It includes dual 1050 mAh batteries, IP68 waterproof sleeve, and a broad accessory kit, aiming to cover underwater, helmet, and general action shooting with a 170-degree fisheye lens. The package balance, 2 batteries, a remote, and a mounting kit, makes it a practical starter option for casual users who want immediate hands-on capabilities without heavy investment. Performance-wise, the camera supports multiple resolutions, including 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p options up to 60 FPS, which is adequate for social media uploads and casual sports clips. Product number 2. IF Water 120 FPS USB Camera. The IF Water 120 FPS USB camera is a high-speed, wide-angle solution designed for PC-based applications, machine vision, and embedded use. With a 12MP sensor and 185-degree fisheye, it aims to deliver dramatic field coverage at up to 120 FPS in 1080p, plus 4K support in MJPEG. Its plug-and-play USB interface targets professional workflows requiring fast capture for stabilization, live inspection, or educational demonstrations. And it claims broad OS compatibility: Windows, Linux, Android, Mac. Performance-wise, the camera prioritizes speed over traditional color fidelity, leveraging MJPEG and YU2 formats. The 185-degree fisheye provides extreme peripheral coverage, which can be advantageous for capturing large scenes, but may introduce distortion that needs correction in post. Product number 3. IF Water USB FHD 08S-MFV. The iWater USB FHD 08S-MFV is a manual varifocal USB webcam designed for close-up and sports applications, featuring a CS mount 5 to 50 mm lens with 10x optical zoom. It delivers up to 260 FPS at 640 by 360 and 1080p at standard frame rates, making it attractive for sports analysis, golf swing capture, or precise macro-like work on desktop or embedded systems. The aluminum shell and 1/3-inch OV489 sensor provide a compact, robust option for hobbyists and developers who want full manual control. Performance-wise, the camera emphasizes controllability. Manual focal length and zoom enable tailored field of view for tight spaces or specific subjects. However, it requires manual focusing and may demand calibration in software, particularly when integrated with Raspberry Pi or OBS. Product number 4. Flyfrost's 8K HDV 255K. Flyfrost's 8K HDV 255K camcorder targets ambitious creators who want peak resolution and robust features in a consumer-friendly package. It records up to 8K at 15 FPS and captures 88 megapixel stills, aided by a 3-inch touchscreen, 18x digital zoom, 6-axis gyro autofocus, IR night vision, and a bundled stabilizer for smoother handheld footage. The kit includes essential accessories like microphone, remote, lens hood, and 32GB card, making it a complete storytelling device at a premium price. Performance-wise, the 8K 88-megapixel combination is compelling for people who want the sharpest possible shots in a compact form factor and value modular accessories. The 8K at 15 FPS is more about video fidelity and crop flexibility than ultra-slow motion, and the 3-inch screen and gyroscope-assisted autofocus provide intuitive control for vlog-style work. Product number 5. Brigoo's X70. Brigoo's X70 delivers 5K video at 20 FPS and 64 megapixel stills, paired with a 3-inch rotatable touchscreen and an included creator bundle. It supports 16x zoom, IR night vision, and live streaming and webcam features, positioning itself as a versatile option for YouTubers and content creators who want a single-camera workflow with multi-mode flexibility. The kit includes 2 batteries, a microphone, tripod, and memory card, making it a complete all-in-one package for beginners stepping into higher resolution content. Performance-wise, the 5K 20 FPS video offers strong detail for talking head or travel footage, though the 20 FPS ceiling limits moving action. The 64 megapixel stills provide impressive resolution for stills-first workflows, while the 3-inch screen and remote-friendly features support on-the-go content creation. Prospective buyers should note Mac compatibility caveats and the manual focus requirement, which can affect sharpness in dynamic scenes.